now out here in Kandy. We're doing the city tour. But first, I have to go to the Kandy train station to secure my ticket for Ella tomorrow. So I heard there's 3 a.m., there's 8 a.m. So kahit anong oras yung makuha ko, okay lang. As long, ma-reach ko yung Ella by tomorrow morning. Or else, I'll be stuck here in Kandy until umuwi ako.
You want to buy the ticket, Ella?
Yes. I wasn't able to secure my ticket going to Ella by tomorrow, but the station master told me that I can definitely buy it tomorrow morning. So, ang agenda bukas is dapat mga 6 pa lang, pack up na sa hotel, and let's go na sa station to secure the ticket ng 8:40 para sure na sure ang Ella natin. Because Ella, kinanta. So, we are now on our way sa aming first destination. I don't know if you can hear me, pero please bear with the sound of the vlog. First stop is Asgiri Mahasig. Look at the details of this one. Insane. So this one is all made of wood. Sobrang intricate ng details. Like parang lahat sila is very uniform, diba? Pero syempre sabi, don't touch the murals. Pero grabe oh, almost same na same. And the view from the Buddhist temple. So as per kuya, dito daw sa area na to is merong mga monks na nag-aaral and it will take 10 years to finish yung course na yun. Grabe, 10 years. Dinaig pa ang masteral, doctoral, lahat na lang ng pwedeng ilagay sa pangalan, di ba? 10 years pala ang pagmumongha. Mongha ba o monghe? Basta ang pagmumong, 10 years pala yun. Medyo may kalakihan din naman siya. There's souvenir shop. And mainit. Tayo po ay kasalukuyan sa parang farm at merong mga hindi ko ba alam, may mga pag-aano tayong ginagawa dito na hindi matanggihan. So mukhang merong budol sa tour na to, parang you have to buy yung mga eklavo nila here. May pa ganito pa, so may pa discount na 10%, pero aanhin ko naman ang mga ganito. So this is the budol part. Ito yung mga binibenta nila na hindi naman kailangan. So this is the one we tried. Ang mahal. Budol na budol. Factory Center for tea. from here, they separate the stem from the leaves. So yung mga leaves na yung kinukuha nila, the stem is ginagawa nilang fertilizer. O diba? Very educational. So this machine is for the final product. Ayan na siya. So these are the sample tea. Ang dami pala. Which one did you made downstairs?
Black tea and white tea.
Oh, this one. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang budulan. Ang OA naman sa mahal, 15,000 Sri Lankan rupees. So parang almost 12,000-13,000. Ano ba? No, ang mahal. Ay, hindi. Basta ang mahal niya. Like this 110,5, like almost mga 2,000 pesos. So, syempre, as a Filipino, doon tayo sa grocery bibili. Hindi have vanilla and jasmine. This one, super bango. Pero yung vanilla. Kaso, ang price niya, kung may maliit sana, bibili natin. So, this is Botanical Garden in Kandy. The entrance is 3,000 rupees. So, we decided to skip this one dahil, hello, sa bakuran ng tiyahin ko, marami siyang mga halaman. So, doon tayo mag-tour. Parang 3,000 rupee, like mga 1,200. Ay, pass tayo sa ganito. Parang there's no easy bus here. Puro ordinary. Paggabi, super parang dito party. Iba talaga sa Baguio City. Sarap. Baguio. Talaga namang nasa Baguio na po tayo sa Burnham Park. What? Oh, diba? It also reminds me of the one in Hanoi. Gantong-ganto yung vibe doon. Pero this one, sobrang init. Look at the houses doon sa may mountain. It's so serene. I want one. I want one ng ako. Gaganda lang siya. The tour is over. So meron ka? May pa-unggoy doon. Kandy City Center. Later we will go there